Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about appointment schedule using Google Calendar. In my previous video, I talked about how you can manage Google Calendar effectively as a virtual assistant, how you can create events, create tasks, basically manage Google Calendar as a virtual assistant. So you might want to check that video out. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on appointment schedule using Google Calendar. This is a very interesting feature because it allows you to create a booking page that you can either embed on your website or copy the link and share via email with customers and clients, and it allows them to schedule a time with you. They see your availabilities, the times that you are available, and they're able to pick the suitable time for them and they schedule a meeting with you. So let's get right into it. So to start, you want to click on the appointment schedule. Because let me just add this particular feature, it's only effective for a one-on-one session. So if you want to have a meeting with a group of people, you can either send an email to them, let them know your availability via email and respond to your email, or you can use doodle.com. Yeah, so you can sign in on doodle.com, and this allows you to be able to schedule appointments with a group of people. So back to our Google Calendar, you want to add a title. So let's say we're having as a virtual assistant, if your boss is a fitness coach or an HR, and they're having a career clarity call, for example, or a fitness coach, they're having a fitness session, so just pick a suitable title. Then you come to appointment duration. How long should each appointment last? So we're having a career clarity call, for example, and it's going to last for just 15 minutes. So each session is going to last for 15 minutes. I've selected 15 minutes here. Then now this is where we set up our availability. So Mondays, how many hours on Monday do you want to dedicate to this particular appointment, career clarity call? So let's say, for example, on Mondays, I'm available anytime between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. I can have it here. Then on Tuesday, I'm busy all through, I'm not available. I can just block it by clicking on this. So it shows that I'm not available on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I can edit this to say 12 p.m. only to 5 p.m. Then so you can just set up your availability here. Then, like I've been saying, you want to check that your time zone is correct. So this is GMT +1, West African Standard Time, Lagos. So this is okay for me. Then the scheduling window. So when you click on the scheduling window, limit the time range the appointment can be booked. So you can add a start and end date for the appointment. So let's say this career clarity call is going at a discounted price of maybe 5,000 naira, and so this offer will only last for about 2 weeks. I can just set it up here, scheduling window, start and end date. That is what this is all about. So from September 11th to September 2 weeks, 25th, done. So I can always change the date from here. Maximum time in advance an appointment can be booked. Okay, so what's the maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked? That is what you can do from here. So I can just say appointments can be booked 3 days, maximum of 3 days in advance. So you can set it up here. Then the minimum time before the appointment starts that it can be booked. So let's say somebody wants to book an appointment with me 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. This is where you set the minimum time before the appointment time that it can be booked. So you can't book an appointment by, if I set to 4 hours now, it means that you can't book an appointment by 7 a.m. I want to meet with me by 8 a.m. So this is where you sort of like modify the minimum time before the appointment starts that it can be booked. Adjusted availability. So you can adjust your availability here. This indicates time you're available for specific days. Then booked appointment setting. Add time between appointments. Okay, so this allows you to add time between appointment slots. We've set our appointment to 15 minutes. The appointment duration is 15 minutes. So let's say I have a call by 8 a.m. to 8:15. What is the duration of time that I want to allow between a session and another session? So I want to say, okay, if I have a session now, I want to allow 30 minutes before another session, or I want to allow 1 hour before another session. You can easily do that from here. Maximum booking per day. So this allows you to modify the number of bookings you can have per day. So let's say I can take up to 8 bookings per day. Guest permission. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. So this is where the guests can, if you give them permission, they can modify the event, and if you uncheck it, they can't modify the event. So let's go to next. Booking page, photo and name. So you can easily add your name and your photo or your logo from here. So it shows on the booking page. Location and conferencing. Select how and where you want to meet candidates. Is it going to be online, or is it going to be in person? Is it going to be a phone call? And if it's going to be Zoom, all you have to do is simply add Zoom to your Google Calendar. I explained that in my previous video. Then this is where you can add a description to your appointment schedule. So you can just add a description. If it's a career clarity call, for example, like we've selected here, you can just add what to expect from that particular session. Okay, we're going to be talking about your CV, okay, and so on. So this is where you can add details about the meeting. Then the booking form. Customize the form people use to book an appointment. You can easily do that from here. Booking confirmations and reminder. So you and the person who made the appointment will get a confirmation email with a calendar invitation. So once we are done, we check it and we're okay with it, you can just save it. So this is where you get the link that you can either embed on your website or share with people via email. So I'll just copy this, share, okay, booking page link, copy link, done. So let's see what our link looks like. Yeah, so anybody you share the link with will see something like this, so they can just pick the time that is suitable for them. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.